Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to make a mini daisy granny square. It's the smaller size of the original pattern that I used for the daisy granny square in one of my previous videos. I will leave you all the sizes and the materials I use in the description box below, so let's get started. We start with a magic ring. If you don't want to make the magic ring, you can chain 4 and slip stitch into the first chain as to make a ring. We are going to make inside the magic ring 8 half double crochet. The first half double crochet, for me it will be a single crochet and 1 chain. This count as a stitch. If you don't want to do this, you can chain 2, it will work as well. We are going to make 8 half double crochet total. I have my 8 half double crochet. Now we can close the ring. We are going to slip stitch into the chain on top of the single crochet, or if you have a chain 2, into the second chain. In this way. Make a loop. We got the yarn. And we have the center of our flower. Now we are going to switch color. I have my second color. Now we are going to work with the double crochet. You can start anywhere. My first double crochet, it will be yarn over twice around the hook, insert the hook, pick up a loop, yarn over, close 2, yarn over, close 2. This is my fake double crochet. If you want, you can chain 3, it will work as well. Now yarn over. We are going to make a double crochet, yarn over, but we close only 2 loops. Yarn over again, insert your hook, pick up a loop, we close 2. We have 3 loops, yarn over again, and we close all 3. This is our first cluster double crochet. So we chain 2. Into the next stitch we work another cluster. It's mean 3 double crochet non-finished, so we work only half a part of the double crochet, yarn over again, close only 2, yarn over again, 2 more. We have 4 loops on our hook, and we close all 4 in this way. We chain 2 and we do the same into the next stitch. One, 2, and 3. Close all together, 2 chains. And that's all we need to do for this round. I'm at the end of the second round. In total I have 8 cluster stitch, which they represent the 8 petals. So I finished with my 2 chains, and now we're going to slip stitch into the first stitch we made. If you have a chain 3, you're going to slip stitch into the 3rd chain. In this way, we pick up a loop, we can cut the yarn. And we have our petals. Now we can switch color again. I have my new color. We can start in any of the chain 2 spaces. We work with the double crochet. My first double crochet, yarn over twice around the hook, insert, pick up a loop, yarn over, close 2, yarn over, close 2 more, in this way. You can chain 3, of course. If you like it, it will work perfectly. So we are going to make 2 double crochet. This one, it will be the corner, but we are going to make only 2 double crochet. We finish our corner at the end of this round. So into the next space we are going to make 3 double crochet. Into the next space we are going to make a corner. 3 double crochet, two chains, and 3 double crochet. In this way. Into the next space 3 double crochet, next space we make another corner, so 3 double crochet, 2 chains, and 3 double crochet. Into the next space 3 double crochet, and you continue in this fashion until the end, and I will meet you before the end to finish our last corner. I'm almost at the end. Now we are going to build our last corner, this part where we have only 2 stitches. So here I'm going to make 3 double crochet, two chains, and 1 more to complete the corner. In this way. Now I'm going to cut the yarn. If you want, you can slip stitch into the first stitch that you have there. I like it to finish with the yarn needle. Into the second stitch, not the first one. I'm going to go from the back to the front. In this way. Then I'm going in the back. Going to make a couple of knots. And then you can cut the yarn, or you can finish to weave in the ends. I finished to weave in the ends. That's how it looks like. Our mini daisy granny square is ready. I hope you liked this video. If it's so, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.